Good day, Tudor. I am Sandra Palacio. I am going to start my presentation on the formal letter that I made in the previous activity. How does this contribute to pollution in our world? The company is Curtidos Leather Co. It's a tiny company dedicated to the selection, processing, and tanning of bovine hides. Approximate capacity of 20,000 skins per month. It is widely known that the tanning and trimming of hides is one of the economic activities in the industrial sector. That represents a high degree of waste generation from solid waste to the emission of particulate material and discharge of liquid effluents. Lightweight is attributed great responsibility in the contamination of the upper basin of the Bogota River because there have been dumping of waste from industries last year for many years, being the water resource is one of the most affected of the pollution from its activities, as well as the fauna and flora that depend on it. Respect the pollution generation from this company is great weather and energy consumption, emission of particulate matter, solid waste generation, discharge of liquid effluents, pollution of the upper basin of the Bogota River, soil contamination, and fauna and flora affectation. The opinions and demands expressed in the formal letter. Through this letter, I made call to the company to exercise in a responsible way environmental awareness about the impacts that these activities are generating not only environment but also on the communities that are directly and indirectly affected by the Bogota River. The ecological solution to the problems of this company is aspects such as the implementation of good manufacturing practice, the application and compliance with current environmental legislation on dumping and treatment of solid waste, as well as the chain of machinery for low consumption equipment have a significant and positive impact on a reduction in generation of waste and effluents from tannery activities. This will bring benefits for the company by reducing costs and avoiding fines for non-compliance with the law, in addition to contributing in a valuable way to protect and preserve the resources that we all depend on all this planet. Thank you very much for your attention.